I'm here, my two princesses.
He has arrived, kill him.
We did our best, he is no more. You are not allowed, ma'am.
But this is our home. Step aside.
Now this is my property.
It was you who did this.
I've told you, leave him and marry me.
You betrayed your own friend. I'm calling police.
You don't have evidence. I'm still offering you to stay with me.
No thanks. This is all happens because of me.
Mom, don't cry. I have an idea.
I think a lot I want to be with you. Police, I've got evidence. We miss you.